Ding dong, playtime, let's have fun. Red, red apple so bright, red cherries and red kite, red roses and red light. We love the color red. Orange, orange butterflies, orange carrots, orange skies, orange pumpkins, orange juice. We love the color orange. Yellow, yellow honeybees, yellow lemons and yellow banana, yellow sun and sandy seas. We love the color yellow. Green, green grassy hills, green frogs and daffodils, green cucumbers and windmills. We love the color green. Blue, blue sparkling stream, blue balloons and ice cream, blue whales and a blue dream. We love the color blue. Purple, purple velvet cape, purple grapes and purple tape, purple stars and purple drape. We love the color purple. White, white fluffy sheep, white pearls and snowy peaks, white lilies and white clouds. We love the color white. Gray, gray rainy clouds, gray wolves howling loud, gray jackets and gray crowd. We love the color gray. Black, black shiny shoes, black pants and darkened hues, black cat and black hat. We love the color black. Brown, brown chocolate bar, brown soil and a muddy car, brown teddy bear and a brown dog. We love the color brown. Pink, pink cotton candy, pink hats and pink shoes, pink blossoms and pink rose. We love the color pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white and gray, black, brown and pink. We say we love all the colors today. Please like and subscribe my Dingdong Playtime channel.